Hello everyone, happy holiday. Oh my goodness, we are less than 12 days to Christmas. Are you guys ready for the holiday? This is gonna be so amazing. Things have definitely changed a lot since last year versus this year, and I think that we should be all very thankful that we are healthy, we're safe, our friends and family, it's all here with us. And let's bless this amazing holiday with lots and lots of love. Today's videos I want to show you, you ready? Unboxing. Well, it's not true unboxing. I want to show you my absolute favorite men's shoes brand called Guidomaggi. And let's get started this video. Hello everyone, happy holiday. I'm Steve, founder of Ibu Beauty. I want to say thank you so much for your support of my skincare brand. And for this holiday and also our first Christmas, we have two amazing holiday gift set I want to share with you. And let's get started. The first one you're looking at here is our 3-piece glow set. In here, you'll get full-size multitasking serum, multitasking moisturizer, and our brand new rose quartz roller. Together they are $104, but wait, for this holiday season we are offering at $59. Plus we are offering 4 inches free installment. The second set I want to show you is my favorite set. It is our 4-piece dream set. So here you're getting the full-size multitasking serum, multitasking moisturizer, and our iconic multitasking tinted moisturizer. Lots of people using this, including professional makeup artists using on the set. It's really great tinted moisturizer, more skincare than makeup. Plus you're also getting our brand new rose quartz roller. This altogether add up for $133, but for this holiday you only pay $79. On top of that, we are also offering 4 installment interest-free payments. So check out the link below and pick out your order. We are also offering Ibu gift cards, so it's a perfect time to buy a gift for your loved one too. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do 2 parts. First, I want to show you the shoes I recently purchased, and I just can't wait. I already worn that to Disney a couple times already, so it's not true unboxing, but I still want to show you what the shoes look like, what the shoes are about. Then the second part, I want you to go shopping with me at Guidomaggi website and see how cool is this website. It is all about customize your needs and your style. So quick history about Guidomaggi. I discovered the Guidomaggi brand, oh my goodness, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, by accident, because you guys know I'm about 5'7.5", 5'8", and I always want to be a little bit taller. And when I was younger, you can wear platform, you can, it's all cool, But as you get older, especially I had a really big corporate job, I cannot go to work wearing platform shoes. They're just not professional. So I discovered these Italian handmade shoes that increase your height. And what's really amazing about this brand is not only the craftsmanship, it's amazing, it's all handmade. The most important part, nobody can tell you're wearing the elevation shoes. That's very important to me. So, and I bought a first pair and a second pair. I just really loving the shoes, I'm gonna be honest with you, I think I own about 13, 14 pair already. I recently did a video, all my collection from Guidomaggi. I'll put a link below, you can check it out. I mean, I don't love all the shoes I bought, but majority of the shoes I love, and I still wear them. I'm going to show you the one I've been wearing a lot. If you follow on my social media, you probably see I've been wearing this brown shoes to Disney like all the time. You guys know, go to Disney's require lots and lots of walking. Average day, I walk about 15,000 steps wearing the shoes. So I think about a month ago, I really want to invest in another Guidomaggi shoes because I haven't really spent a lot of money out for myself. I bought some beauty stuff, but nothing really for me. So I really want to splurge myself a little bit, but I don't want to go over the board like buying Louis Vuitton, Chanel, or Hermes. As you guys know, I just started my own business and I want to make sure that my money go to the right place. But anyway, long story short, I went online to buy this brand new shoes, Abu Dhabi. And when you order from Guidomaggi, they ship directly from Italy, and they pack this thing. I wish I still have the box. They pack this with like a wax paper or something like that. They wrap around it. Even you dump it in water, I don't think it's gonna get wet. So they really protect shoes. And the box is absolutely beautiful, like very, very sturdy box. And you know me, all about environmental friendly, right? So you can actually repurpose this box to do different things, to store your mineral item or whatever you want to do, right? In fact, you can actually put this apart like that. Then you can put this in your shelf and become like like an organizer for your underwear, for your socks, stuff like that. And then when you open it, always comes this very nice black paper. And I mean, it's all about luxury, right? And obviously there's no shoes in here because I already took it out. So that's the box and shipping I want to share with you. I truly believe that when you, doesn't matter what you are purchasing, what you're buying, from inexpensive to expensive, I think it's all about that experience, from the online ordering to receiving the packaging, unbox the packaging, and feel and touch the actual product. That is important to me. If that's important to me, let me know. Leave a comment below. So I'm not alone. Okay, so let's talk about the shoes I recently just bought. Hold on. Hold please. I want to make sure I got this information here. So, ta-da! This is the one. I really wanted all black elevation shoes, and I really like. I found that all his shoes. I love this type of sneaker shoes the best because it can be casual, it can be also formal too, because it all depends on how you dress this up, right? So the material right here, the upper is a shining black cow skins. They are lining inside with soft goat skins, and the sole it's with the genuine leather, and it is really not that heavy. If you guys bought any type the elevation shoes before, you probably know a lot of company the shoes is very, very heavy and it's not comfortable. Okay, so when you look at this, it looks like regular shoes, but you can increase your height. Are you ready? From 2.4 inches up to 4 inches. This is about 3 inches right here. That's all I need. And it's absolutely beautiful, amazing. And how I normally do is I don't like to put the shoelace. I don't like to tie the I don't like to tie shoelace like this. So what I really do is just put a shoelace inside. So I just slip my feet in there and just wear it out like this. Look at this. This is so pretty. And you can customize this. I believe that you can also put your initial on here on certain style. But Guidomaggi is all about customized, handmade, and they want to make sure that they create the shoes that really fit your style and your lifestyle. I was very lucky, was able to meet Guidomaggi founder Emmanuel. I can never pronounce his name correctly. If he's watching, I'm sorry. In New York, a couple of years back, I'll put a video below. He is so sweet. I mean, so nice. Not to mention, amazing looking. Now I want to show you this one. I was showing you earlier. I apologize this is not clean because I've been wearing this like crazy, especially go to Disney. I think I worn these shoes to Disney at least 10-15 times. And to me, it doesn't matter. I'm buying Guidomaggi, Louis Vuitton, Christian Louboutin, or just regular shoes. They are meant to be walking. Okay, I don't just keep them there look pretty. That's just not my style. I want them to walk. So you can see there's a lot of mile on here, but they still look pretty good. All I usually do is I just kind of wipe around the rim, the base right here, so it become more white. I mean, I get so many compliments when I wear these shoes. People can tell the quality of the shoes. Now, let's go to Guidomaggi website and let's go shopping together. When you come to the website, you want to type in Guidomaggi here. Immediately, it says right here, subscribe to our newsletter and get 10% off on your first purchase. I definitely encourage you to do that because these shoes are definitely luxurious. So 10% can help a lot too. And again, this video is not a sponsored video, so I don't have any code for that, but I just want to show you how much I really truly love the shoes. So if you look at the screen right here, it immediately gives you some idea. You know, it is about luxury, style, increased height, stand tall, comfort. I mean, sophisticated. It's definitely beautiful, beautiful shoes. They have a dress shoes, loafer, sneaker, ankle boots, ultra luxury, you don't even want to go there. That is like a super expensive. But if you got money, you can check it out. I am not there. And the shoes, it's up to 6 inches taller. Again, you will not look like you're wearing high heel. That's the best part. And they show you the best seller shoes and lifestyle. I mean, there's so much information right here. So I'm just show you, give you some idea right now. Let's go look at the fall winter 2021s. They also sell women's shoes and accessory too, but we really want to just focus on shoes. So when you go to here, fall winter 2021, there's a lot of shoes right here, right? So you can filter the shoes by the color that you like. So let's just do the black one here. So this is all the different style all in one, and they are the new shoes, and then you can show up to 72 images at one time. So that's the shoes right here. Oh, by the way, it depends where you live. You can change the Europe to US dollar, and you can change your location to USA. So they have USA, Italy, so you can change that. I know when I did this, you look at the price, oh my god, that's so expensive. But let me tell you, being taller, this is not bad at all. Not bad at all. So let's look at the filter real quick right here. Let me go back here. That's just, okay, never mind. Hold on. Okay. So that's the overall right here. So let's just pretend I want to buy my shoes, right? So I'm going to just go into search the Abu Dhabi shoes. So this is the one I recently purchased. Let me show you the purchase experience with a Guidomaggi. Alright, so once you get to this page, you can see the image very clear, very large, very detailed. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can see it from bird side eye view. You can see the stitches right here. They are handmade, so it's not going to be perfect exactly every single stitches. But that's what made this shoe so unique, so special. And then it tells you descriptions, shoes guide. They also tell you how to find your shoes based on if you're US, UK, or Europe shoes. So you can see the sizes like that. Let me go back one more time. Coloring finishing guide. So here, this is more like a customized thing that if you want to do. There's so many different types of finish. I mean, I don't want to go through this. This will take forever. So you can pick what you like. Let me just go back again. So now let's go back to the one I just did, this one right here. Let me go to the top. Okay, so this shoes is $543, worth every penny. So now the first thing you want to do is you want to select the height. Do you want to be 2.4 inches taller or 4 inches taller? Whatever you want. That's cool, right? And then you select your size. I like it, they put all the size together right here. So I'm about 9. So Europeans are 42. And then here you can input whatever you want for customization. So that if you want initial or whatever, you can put in there, and then they will do their job for you. How cool is this? How cool is this? You can contact them with WhatsApp, or you can call the toll-free number. I never call them because I deal with the owner directly. But yeah, that's pretty amazing. By request, this is what I want to show you. What is this? Hold please. Hold please. So you can literally design your own shoes. You can create your own elevator shoes by choosing from over 100 model available. You can customize the style, the letter, the color, the shape, everything. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So if you are very particular, your style, and you can never find what you want, this is it. They have a front, the exotic letter if you want, like crocodile. I mean, there's all kind of different amazing things right here. The shape, the components, the sole. You can add initial right here. I don't think they can add the entire name. But wait, I don't think I ever do initial yet. I should tell him I want to do an initial next time. So that's really, really amazing. Let's see. So yeah, that's what I want to show you. Women's shoes. Let me just take a look. I don't quite understand women's shoes, honestly. I mean, women wear high heel already, but I guess if you want to wear like a sneaker style, you can buy the sneaker style right here. You can see it. So it doesn't look like you wear high heel, but you'll be much more taller. Like this one. Amelia? Let me see this. So this one is suede shoes. Oh, that looks very comfy. Yeah. Okay, I want to see what else they have here. I want to take a look at an accessory. They have a belt, they have a backpack, leather jacket, exotic leather jacket, small leather goods. Let's look at small leather goods. Okay, wow. They are very expensive, but they are using very exotic leather. If you're into that, you know, you can do this too. So yeah, I just want to show you Guidomaggi. You know, I've been purchasing their shoes for many years. They did give me, I think, 3 pair for free, because I know the owner and, you know, I've been doing review. But this one I purchased. I mean, I just love it. I love it. Let's see what I want to share with you. One thing I would say that the white sole look really cool, but it gets dirty very easily. So I'm trying the black sole right here so it can get less dirty, because I'm so tiring to clean this. Every time I do a photo shoot, I have to really clean the base. That's the only thing. Alright, so I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. Shopping with me at Guidomaggi website. Hopefully you can find the shoes that you love. Go on to the Instagram and tell them I sent you over here. And, you know, more people told Guidomaggi that you discover before me, then maybe I can get some amazing discount code for you guys too. So okay, so thank you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy holiday, bye.